స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ కూడా ఇవ్వండి. So sum of the interior angles in a triangle, it is 180 degrees. సో త్రిభుజం యొక్క అంతర కోణాల మొత్తం 180 డిగ్రీలు. ఎప్పుడు సమతలంపై, మీన్స్ ఆన్ ద ప్లేన్ సర్ఫేస్. సో వెన్ యు ఆర్ టేకింగ్ ఆన్ ద స్పెరికల్, మీన్స్ here we have taken a ball, okay, so that lines are in curved shape. Yes, so how can you measure the angles on that curved face?
By observing.
Yes, once you observe the figure, so from the point A and also on the point B, so that near the point A it is a perpendicular, right? Perpendicular angle, right angle.
Yes.
It shows right angle. అక్కడ ఒక లంబకోణం అనేది ఏర్పడింది పాయింట్ A వద్ద మరియు B వద్ద. రెండు లంబకోణాలు అయినప్పుడు వాట్ ఈస్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద టూ యాంగిల్స్?
180 degrees.
సో అదే విధంగా ఏ మరియు బి అనేవి అవి ఒక చోట కలుసుకుంటున్నాయి కదా. త్రిభుజం అంటేనే 3 మూలలు ఉంటాయి. ఎస్, దట్ హ్యాస్ 3 కార్నర్స్, 3 angles and 3 sides. So the 2 points A and B are meeting at one point, right? So here that point is N. The two are intersecting at N. So actually we need to get the sum of angles is 180, but already when you are adding angle A and angle B, it gives 180 degrees.
Yes.
It means yes, Pujita?
Nothing, ma'am.
Yeah, so already if you are adding these two angles, that is 180 degrees. Yes, we will get, what is the angle we are getting if you are adding the 3 angles A, B and also near N?
180 degrees.
More than
180 degrees. Very good.
180
Sultan.
degrees.
Very good. So already A and B is 180 degrees. Again, if you are adding from the point N, it is more than 180 degrees, no? Yes. So this
Yes,
type of
ma'am.
geometry means we have taken on the one spherical shape. So this type of geometry is spherical geometry. Okay. ఈ జ్యామితిని మనం ఒక గోళం పైన తీసుకొని దానిపైన త్రిభుజం గీసి దీన్ని నిరూపించారు కాబట్టి దీన్ని గోళీయ జ్యామితి అని అంటారు. ఏమంటారండి? గోళీయ జ్యామితి, స్పెరికల్ జామెట్రీ. So in this way we need to observe our surroundings related to geometry. Only మనం బుక్ లో ఒక పాయింట్ తర్వాత లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్, రే అండ్ వీటి నుంచి మళ్ళీ యూక్లిడ్ ప్రతిపాదించినటువంటి స్వీకృతాలు, ప్రతిపాదనలు, వీటినే కాకుండా మన చుట్టూ ఉన్న 3D షేప్ లో జ్యామితి ఏ విధంగా అప్లై అవుతుంది అనేది కూడా మనం అర్థం చేసుకోవాలండి. ఓకే, సో we need to observe all things, means what are the properties we are using related to geometry in our surroundings. Okay, so here that other mathematician other than Euclid, they have proposed some statements, that is non-Euclidean geometry. So which is, yes
మ్యామ్, ఇక్కడ ఏరియా 180 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉందిగా మ్యామ్, ఇది ట్రయాంగిల్ అవుతుందా?
yes beta, because we are proposing that statement by using one 3D shape. Spherical is nothing but one 3D shape, right? So it has volume. Okay, so we are not taking a 2D shape like a plane surface. Do you get my point?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Yes, teacher.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Okay, Sultan, if your network is not okay, then you can off your video, you can continue with your audio, because I'm not getting your voice correctly. Okay, so other than Euclid proportions, we are calling that all are non-Euclidean geometry. Okay, na? So what we have
Okay,
discussed
ma'am.
from the first, just we will recall today. Okay. So what we have discussed from the first of the elements of geometry. So we have learned about what is the importance
Axioms.
of geometry. First of all, why we need to know about geometry, then history of
History.
geometry, and some of our ancient mathematicians who are used geometry in their real life situation, and what are the constructions, and Sulabha Sutras, Bodha and Sulabha Sutras. Then after about the Pythagoras theorem and about Thales theorem. Yes, so this all includes in history of geometry. Then
Postulates.
after that, Greek mathematicians are thought that this
Euclid's
geometry is very useful to
geometry.
establish some other things. So that's why they have started, and in that Euclid has proposed some of axioms and postulates
Postulates.
related to geometry. He has written one book, that is
Elements
The
of
Elements, that
Of
contains
geometry.
13
of
parts. How
geometry.
many parts?
13.
13
13
parts.
parts. Yes, then we are started to study what are the things he has proposed, right? So about Euclid geometry. So in that he has proposed some axioms and postulates. Some of the axioms and with examples, postulates, 5 postulate with examples, and we have completed some exercises. Then after, what is non-Euclidean geometry we have seen just now. Yes. Do you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
any doubts related to this? You can ask me.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so just you need to understand what is the difference between Euclid geometry and the non-Euclidean geometry. Can anyone say what is the difference between these two?
Euclid said about plane surfaces, and
Yes,
non-Euclidean geometry is said about sphere,
sphere means a
Peer
spherical shape,
geometry.
which is a
not plane
3D shape.
surface.
Non-plane
Yes.
surfaces. Very good, Pujita. Very good observation. So in this Euclid has proposed, which are related to like a 2D shape, means we can convert into again into 3D shapes, because from 3D to 2D, 2D to 1D, and then after he has proposed
No
about point,
dimension.
right? So yeah, so most of the times we are using some of the 2D shapes, means and one dimensional shapes to explain about Euclid geometry, but other mathematicians thought that which we are using in our surroundings, that all are related to 3D shapes, ఘనాలకు సంబంధించినవి అన్నీ కూడా మనం ఏది తీసుకున్నా కూడా దానికి కొంత పొడవు వెడల్పు ఎత్తు ఉంటున్నాయి, దానికి కొంచెం వాల్యూమ్ ఉంటుంది కదా.
Yes,
సో
ma'am.
అందుకోసం అని చెప్పేసి ఈ యూక్లిడ్ ప్రతిపాదించినటువంటి 5వ స్వీకృతానికి బదులుగా ప్రతిపాదించినవే నాన్ యూక్లిడియన్ జామెట్రీ. ఓకే, అందుకే మనం ఇక్కడ ఒక స్పెరికల్ షేప్ తీసుకొని దానిపైన ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారనమాట. Okay, so why they have taken this spherical shape especially is our earth is in the spherical shape, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What is mean by geometry?
Earth measurements.
Earth
Earth
measurement.
measurements. That's why they have taken a spherical shape and they have explained about non-Euclidean geometry. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So all of you,
Yes, ma'am.
again you have to read what we have discussed, all the points you need to cover. Okay, yes Sultan?
Okay, ma'am.
I solved the riddle, ma'am.
Oh really? Okay, we will discuss about the riddle at the end of our session. Okay.
I also got the
I
logic, ma'am.
get, ma'am. I
Okay,
get
okay.
answer.
Logic.
I get
Okay.
logic and answer, teacher.
Answer also.
Okay ma.
ma'am.
Same.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so shall we discuss it some more topics?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just tell me what is the undefined terms from Euclid?
Point,
Plane,
line,
point, line.
line, straight line,
Plane surface. Hmm.
Plane, surface, point, and line.
Okay. Okay. So if you are extending the point, if you are keep on moving with the point, it makes a line, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It
Ma'am.
can extend either right side and left side also, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
taking, okay, that's fine. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so uh, can you say what is mean by a line?
Combination of
Line is
points.
a breathless length.
Yeah, very good,
Breathless
Sultan. That is
length,
a
ma'am.
breathless length from Euclid. Okay,
And
so one more
combination of points.
combination of points. There is
Yes,
no end
ma'am.
for line, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is no end for line.
Line. Yes,
It has
ma'am.
only one dimension. Okay, once you observe here, I will draw a line. See here. So can you see any ending point for a line?
No, ma'am.
But
No,
I
ma'am.
have
Line segment. No,
I have
ma'am.
taken the 2 points on it, A and B, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many points I can keep on a line?
3, ma'am.
3,
Three,
only
ma'am.
3.
Our wish, ma'am.
Infinite, ma'am.
Infinity number of points
Infinitely.
we can
Yes,
keep,
ma'am.
because
Yes, ma'am.
that line is definition itself. You only told that is
Endless.
combination of
Endless.
points, that is endless.
Yes.
You can
Point.
take n number, means infinity number of points on it. Okay,
ma'am.
but
Okay,
I
ma'am.
want some part of this line. Just I
Line
need
segment.
from point B to point C.
Line segment,
Okay,
no, ma'am.
Line
yeah,
segment,
so
ma'am.
that is
segment.
Two
Line
end
segment,
points.
ma'am.
means, can you say
Means
what is
Two
the
end points.
definition of a line segment?
Yes, ma'am. It has
Kirti,
A
can you
line
say what
segment
is the
is
line segment
only
definition?
2.
Kirti,
Ma'am?
two end points.
Kirti, can
Ma'am.
you say what is the definition of line segment?
Means it has 2 endpoints.
It has 2 endpoints. Okay, so very good. And see, we can say it is the part of line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Part
just
of
we are
line.
taking some part of the line. See,
Hmm.
once you observe the screen, here I have drawn one line segment.
Yes,
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so
ma'am.
what is the name of this line segment?
Yep.
EF.
Yeah.
Once you observe, can you say what is the end points of this line? A, B, C, D are taken the points. What is the end point of this line?
A and B.
A and
End
D,
point
teacher.
of a line. Okay,
No
so I'll take one
end
point here.
No end points, ma'am. Sorry, no
There is
end
no
point.
end point, right? Okay, there is no end point for line. But
For a
here,
line.
But for line segment,
what about line segment?
it has
They have
endpoint.
the endpoint of this line
Line
segment.
there is no endpoint, ma'am.
Yeah.
But in line segment is ma'am endpoint.
Yeah.
Two end
Here,
Line
we
segment has
have
2
two
endpoints,
end
but it can be
points.
extended.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Because it has exact measurement.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. It has
so a
exact
line
measurement.
segment has
Yes,
2
ma'am.
end points. It has exact
Mm.
measurement,
That's a
and it is a
measurement.
part of line. Remember
Yes,
these
ma'am.
3 points related to line segment. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
okay, ma.
Mm.
So um, suppose, can you say our real life examples related to line segment?
Line segment.
Yeah,
Ma'am, screen is not appearing.
now it's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please tell me. Can you see anywhere? See here, when I am drawing, I am taking line segment. It shows two end points, 2 points, that left side and also the right side. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So here the point A, and if it is a point B, we can write it as, we can indicate it as AB line segment. Okay,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
AB line segment.
AB.
Okay, next one is, for suppose this same line can extend only one side. Okay, for
Ray,
example,
ma'am. Ray, ma'am, it is.
yeah, what is
Ray,
that?
ma'am. Ray.
Ray.
What is the example
Ray,
ma'am.
for
Torchlight, ma'am.
ray?
Torchlight.
Torchlight, and also
Sunrays also, ma'am. Sunrays.
sunrises. Okay, again
It has is having only one
divided
end
lines,
point.
ma'am.
one end point. Very good.
1 point.
Vijaya, what you are saying?
Divided
Means
lines.
for example of line, Ray, ma'am. Example of Ray.
Okay, very
And
good.
this ray
See
is
here.
used to show the directions.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
very good, very
It
good.
has
It
only
shows
one end
the
point,
direction.
Yes, ma'am.
Direction.
Once you
Particular direction.
observe the, so when I am drawing array, see, I am extending only one side. See,
Yes, ma'am.
is it
Yes,
example
Yes,
for
ma'am.
array?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
once you observe this line segment, see, I can extend this side and also for this side.
This side. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
but it has only one
One side.
direction. It has two directions. For the line segment, you can extend two
For ray
sides.
only can extend
But
only
here,
one
ma'am.
side.
it has,
For Ray, only one.
yeah, we can means this direction is one side. Okay, so we can extend this ray for the one dimension. So it shows what it shows.
Only one direction.
One
Yeah,
Direction,
it is
ma'am.
also
One
one
specific
dimension.
One
direction,
direction
ma'am.
is
One
showing.
specific
We
direction,
can
ma'am.
show
It
with
shows.
the direction. So
Yes,
it
ma'am.
has how many endpoints?
One end point.
One end point.
It has one
End
end
point, ma'am.
point, another side we
Only
can
one.
extend. Our
Yes,
live
Ray.
example is sun and
Yes.
sunrises. Okay,
Yes,
suppose if you are taking here, this side is a sun and this side
ma'am.
is
Sunrays.
sunrise.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
okay. So once you observe the textbook once, so where we are using these lines and these rays,
Lines.
ఎక్కడ మనము ఈ రేస్ ని లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్స్ ని యూస్ చేస్తాము? ఇప్పుడు లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ అన్నాము, దాన్ని ఆ, ఒక రేఖ యొక్క భాగంగా తీసుకున్నాం కదండి, దాన్ని రేఖా ఖండము అంటారు. ఇప్పుడు రేస్ అని ఏదైతే చెప్తున్నామో దాన్ని కిరణము అంటాము. ఓకే, ఇది రేఖాఖండము, ఇది కిరణము. సో వీటిని మరి ఏ విధంగా సూచిస్తారు? హౌ టు ఇండికేట్ దిస్ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్, లైన్ అండ్ a ray and even a point also. Okay, so how can we indicate this all? మనం ఏ విధంగా వాటిని సూచిస్తాం? Okay, once you see on the screen, so when I'm taking a point, okay, so when I'm taking a point here, so once you observe here a dot and the name of point is
A. Yes.
A.
So we can write
Point
here
A.
as point A, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
point A.
Hmm.
Okay. So here we can write it as
point A.
Yes, ma'am.
point
Point A.
A.
Ma'am, this is introduction about the fourth chapter, lines and angles.
Yes, yes, ma. So that is point A. So this is the indication to a point. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
next one is we have this about a line, right? So once you observe here, just I am taking. Okay, here I have taken the 2 points here, the line. So how can we indicate a line?
Line.
Line AB. Once you see here, what is the name of this line?
Ma'am, it is line segment, no, ma'am.
No, beta. Once you observe
BC
here,
line. BC
here,
line.
Line.
can
BC.
you see?
Line
Can you see
BC.
any end point here?
No, ma'am.
Line, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Line.
So that is
A line BC.
A line
line
C.
BC.
line
C.
BC.
BC.
Okay, line BC.
Line. Line.
And also a minute. Once you observe the indication of the line, so I can put here also. Okay, that is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
line
Line BC.
BC.
Yes, ma'am.
So instead of these letters, you can use X, Y, P, Q, and more. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can write like this: line
Line.
line B. Otherwise, we can write. We can indicate. See above BC. See here, when you are writing this BC, you can draw a small line above BC. I think you know how to indicate a line.
Yes, ma'am.
BC
Yes,
line.
ma'am.
Okay.
Instead of
line.
writing
And
line,
above
we
one
can write
small
BC.
line. Okay.
Yes,
It has two arrow marks on it.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the indication of line.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So some part of the line we are taking, that is
Line segment.
Line segment.
This line segment.
Yes,
So what is the name of this line segment?
D.
D.
DE line segment.
D is
Line
line.
segment DE line segment. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is line segment DE. Or so how can we indicate a line segment DE and above one small line segments, means a small line we are drawing here. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And it should
So
have two
line
endpoints.
point. Yes, and a
It-
point, line, and line segment. And next one we have discussed about
Ray.
array,
Ray.
right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Which has one end point.
It has
One end
one end
point.
point. It has one end point.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when you are indicating array, how can you indicate? మీరు ఏ విధంగా ఒక కిరణాన్ని సూచిస్తారు?
Array can expand with only one direction.
Yes, it can expand only in one
One
direction.
direction.
So
One direction.
suppose, so I will take the name of this ray as AB. For example, here the point is A and this another side is point B. Okay, once
Point B.
see here. Point A and here
Point.
the point B. Okay, so here
Yes,
how
ma'am.
can I indicate this AB? That
AB
is
ray.
AB
AB
Ray.
ray.
AB
ray.
Ray.
So once you observe, I have to draw one small ray on it. This is the indication of ray, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can I write this AB ray as BA ray?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
But what is the difference of this A and B?
Ma'am, we should
A
keep the
is a
arrow mark
endpoint.
AB as
in the
BA?
B side.
Ma'am, A is the
A is the
endpoint.
endpoint, teacher. B is
No, ma'am,
We
we
can
can write
extend,
for
no?
line segment, but we can't write for ray.
Very good, Tejashwini. Sorry, Tejaswi. So AB ray, we can write, we can indicate like this, but we cannot write it as it is not equal to BA ray. Okay, so
Ma'am.
suppose if our ray is like this, here the point B and here the point A. Suppose here the point A, it means you can indicate here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the difference of AB ray and BA ray.
BA ray.
Suppose here I have a ray, its name is PQ, means what is P and what is Q? Where is
P
the point
is
and where is
endpoint
the
and Q
extension?
is
Point.
expand.
Point,
Extension.
Q is extension. Okay.
Yes.
So here you can indicate as BA ray. Okay. So this is
Okay,
the
ma'am.
difference of
Line segment and ray.
Ray.
yes, line segment
And a ray.
And ray.
array.
A.
Okay. So here for the line you can write for the both sides because both sides are same. For line segment also you can write for both sides, but for the ray it is different. This is the main things you have to remember. Okay, na?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
suppose I will take the two rays here. So one ray is like this. So one more is, I'll take from the same point. So once you observe here, I am taking this ray with the same point. So what did you observe?
Becomes a angle.
Angle, ma'am.
It makes an angle.
Forms an angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
it makes an angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Acute
very
angle.
good.
Ma'am.
So what is the topic we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
discussing now? About
Lines
lines
and
and
angles.
angles.
And stand
Can you
angles.
say?
Lines and angles.
Okay, very good. So can you say where we are using these lines and angles? మనం వీటిని ఎక్కడ ఉపయోగిస్తాం ఈ లైన్స్ అండ్ యాంగిల్స్ ని? మన నిజ
In my
జీవితంలో
When
ఇవన్నీ
we
కూడా మన రియల్ లైఫ్ లో
constructing
యూజ్
the
చేస్తాం
building.
కదా.
Constructions
When
లో
we
యూజ్
are
చేస్తాం
going
కదా
for
building.
any market, there
And
will be a
construction
directions of
లో
ray.
use
When
చేస్తాం,
we are
ma'am.
constructing a building. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What ma?
If we
Construct
వెదర్
building.
రిపోర్టింగ్స్ లో కూడా చూపిస్తారు ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో విండ్ వస్తుందని రేని చూపిస్తారు మ్యామ్.
Very good, very good. Yes, in the direction, because angles and directions also using. Okay, next. Again.
they means in maps,
Okay, in maps. Okay.
directions.
Time, teacher.
And edges of fan.
Okay, time means an a clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Edges of fans.
What, Tejasvi?
Corners of fans, ma'am.
Corners
Yes,
of
ma'am. Fan.
Fan.
fans. Okay.
Fan wings.
Fan.
Doors.
Okay. Blades. We are saying that is blades. And also
In
okay.
math subject also.
Doors also, ma'am.
Fan blades we are saying.
Edges of doors.
Okay. Super. So especially the engineers who are constructing a building, so they are drawing some projections, some buildings on the paper, right? So at that time, and when they are constructing on the field also, just they are checking, so which angle here and what is the line and where we need to construct. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
already some of the figures are given in the textbook. You can observe there. So where we are using the lines and angles. Okay. So from the
Yes,
figure,
ma'am.
how many line segments do you observe?
1, 2.
Here some of the points are given to the corners, right?
4.
So when you are reading the below paragraph, you can understand.
Yeah,
Not only that, generally also we need to observe. Yes.
10 line segments.
10 line segments. Okay. Only 10 line segments you observed. Okay. So here, what is the
14 line
difference
segments.
between this PQ and UPQ?
PQ and
UPQ is an angle, UP is a line segment.
Where, ma'am?
Okay. Yes, Sultan.
Oh, in the figure, ma'am.
Yes, in the figure. Okay. So once
Yes,
you
ma'am.
observe the second figure, what is this EC and what is this DEC?
DEC is an angle and
Is
EC
an
is a
angle.
line
C
segment.
is a line
Yeah.
segment.
DEC is an angle and EC is a line segment. Yeah. In that,
Yes, ma'am.
once you observe it carefully, we can draw this figure easily because it's like a house, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just I will take what is this DEC. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. DEC.
Okay.
E is the angle.
So the shape is like this only, no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So here it is D.
And here EC. Okay, ma'am.
D,
E is it.
and here it is
E.
E, and the last one is
C.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So here it is
Okay, ma'am.
E.
C.
Mm.
Here it is E, and here. Okay. So we can observe here DEC, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here we have some
Yes, ma'am.
space. We have some space inside of it. It is like a triangle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's like a triangle. So once you observe here, this DE and EC, DE and EC are making one angle, some
Yes, ma'am.
space between these
Yes,
two,
ma'am.
right?
Yes,
So here
Yes, ma'am.
when you are taking this okay, it is like this only, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Yes,
here, once you observe it carefully, EC is at the base, right? It is a
Yes, ma'am.
base, and here this blue color ray. Can you
Ray.
see this? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can move this in this ray.
Yes, ma'am.
See, like
Yes,
this means
ma'am.
we can take a rotation. We can take a rotation like this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can terminate that. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is terminal ray. Okay. So this
Terminal
is
ray.
a
Okay,
base
ma'am.
ray. It cannot change its position. Okay.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
here, from here we can take, see, I can draw from here. It can move. This is
Yes, ma'am.
terminal ray.
Terminal ray. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
So
but
it is a terminal ray.
base ray can extend, no, ma'am?
Yes, we can extend, ma. So you can extend this one also. But it is the
Okay, ma'am.
base. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. It is base.
So
Okay, but you
when
extend the base ray, ma'am.
yeah, you can extend the base, but you cannot change the position.
Yes,
Don't change the position because we need to observe the angle. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So in some other cases, the position of base will maybe change, but most of the time, just we need to understand what is the angle. ఓకే సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈ ఈ కిరణం ఉంది కదండి ఇనిషియల్ గా తీసుకుంది ఫస్ట్ ఏదైతే తీసుకున్నామో దాన్ని భూమి అంటే బేస్ గా తీసుకుంటున్నామో మిగతా ఇంకొక కిరణాన్ని తీసుకొని అది కూడా ఒకే బిందువు వద్ద మొదలై అది భ్రమణం చేస్తుంది అంటే మనం దీన్ని ఇలా రొటేట్ చేయొచ్చు ఓకే so this is called the terminal ray. So the space between the initial ray and terminal ray, that is called an angle. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Space between the initial ray and terminal ray is called an angle.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
Yes,
we have different types of angles. Already we have discussed in your
ma'am.
previous classes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Know all
ma'am.
these basics. Okay,
Seventh class.
line segments, rays, and
Yes, ma'am.
types of angles. Okay,
Point. Yes, ma'am.
so
Point.
here once you observe, this is the fixed point of these two rays. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
here this one
Yes.
is the fixed point of these two rays. Suppose
Yes,
here I will take the point as
Zero.
P.
Okay.
Okay,
Here
ma'am.
P is a fixed point for these two rays, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
again here I
ma'am.
will take one more name as Q.
Mm.
Suppose here
R.
it is
R.
okay R. So can you
Okay,
say what is the name of this angle?
PQR.
Q
PQR angle.
R
QPR angle.
PQR.
Q angle R P Q.
QPR or RPQ.
Angle RPQ.
RPQ. Yes, ma'am.
Q P R
Angle QPR.
Okay, very good. Can you say one more name?
Angle
QPR.
QPR.
Angle QPR.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you, please remember, we can give the name for an angle in 3 different ways.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is, we can say
Acute
that
angle.
no, that are types of angles. Just I'm saying, how can we give the name for an angle in 3 different ways? Okay. So
Okay,
that
ma'am.
is, we can say this angle is name is RPQ angle, angle RPQ, and also we can indicate as
QPR.
angle
QPR.
QPR,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
also we can write this name as angle P.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Angle B. Yes,
These
ma'am.
3 ways you can indicate an angle.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Can you repeat? Can you repeat
Angle
that?
Angle
Yes,
RPQ,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
angle
RPR,
QPR,
angle RPQ, and
RPQ and angle QPR.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle
Angle RPQ,
RPQ.
angle
Or
QP.
angle
Ma'am, you use the symbol
QPR.
of angle, no, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
RPQ.
Q,
Yes, ma.
Angle
Instead of writing
QPR.
angle, you can give the symbol of angle, no, ma'am.
Yes, yes. We can give the symbol of angle with the small
yes, ma'am.
two rays, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in the same way, we have observed here for DEC, right?
DEC. Yes, ma'am.
DEC. Okay. So angle RPQ, let me finish this.
Yes, ma'am. Angle RPQ, angle QP,
Angle
Angle
RPQ,
Angle QPR
R, and angle P.
QPR.
and angle
Angle
P.
P.
angle QPR,
R, angle QPR, QPR,
QPR,
and angle P.
Angle P.
And
And
angle
angle P.
angle P.
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 Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
very good.
P.
Angle P. Okay, in these three ways, we can give the name for an angle. So here the symbol of angle is this one.
2 days.
Okay, two rays we have to draw. I'm just writing like
Yes,
a
ma'am.
symbol.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, this is the symbol of an angle.
Angle.
Okay, this is the symbol of angle. So here you can indicate okay, like angle P. An angle P. Okay, this is the symbol of an angle. So how can we measure this angle? What is the measurement of an angle?
Protractor.
By using
We are not
protractor.
asking about the instrument. What are the
Ah.
measurements of an angle?
Acute angle, right?
The top
Acute
types of
angle.
angles.
180
Acute
degrees. 0 degrees to 180 degrees.
That also measurements, but you are saying no, that is degree. Degrees are the measurements. Okay. Okay, measurement of an angle is degree.
Degrees.
So
Degree.
here also for DEC, we can take here E as a angle E. Okay. Suppose if you are observing in the side of this C means that is also angle C. When you are observing that is also angle D. Okay,
D.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now today we have just seen about line segment and its indications and about angle and its indication, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I will give one task to you. Please do it. That is page number
Do this, ma'am.
71. Page number 71. Do this.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
do this.
Page
This is homework
71. Do
kaadu.
this. Do it as homework, Nana. Just you have to observe your surroundings and where do you use about
teacher,
these
we have to
lines and
collect some
angles.
pictures also.
Yes, you can collect from the newspapers and some other pictures at your home. Okay, but don't go outside.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, ask one riddle, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Okay. So, and one more thing also. Just once all of you see the page 70.
70.
Yes, ma'am.
70.
Yes, ma'am.
Page
Brain
70.
teaser, ma'am.
Brain
Teaser is
tester.
here.
Brain
So,
teaser.
can you say what is the sum of the angles of angle A, B, C, D, E, F? Without doing any calculation, what is the sum of that angles?
180.
And
Who will say
Angle A,
180?
Ma'am, it is a hexagon.
360.
360, ma'am.
360. 360, ma'am.
360.
360, ma'am.
Very good.
ma'am.
So, in two ways,
Yes, ma'am.
we can define this problem. How? You say one procedure. I will tell you another one. How do you say this as 360? Please.
Because here we are having two triangles.
Okay. Two
Each
triangles
triangle
we
is
have, that
180
is.
degrees.
Okay, each triangle is 180 degrees. Very good. So
180 plus 180, 360.
yes. So when you're taking a curve around this A, B, C, D, E, F, so it shows a
We'll
circle.
get the 6 triangles.
We will
Yes,
get,
ma'am.
yeah,
A
we will get
circle.
a circle around this figure. So that it is a complete angle, right? Circle is nothing but a complete angle. Yes, starting at
ma'am.
point and
360
ending at
degrees.
at the same point. So a complete angle shows 360 degrees.
Yes.
So in this way also we can think. And see here, second question also there. Once you try for it, okay, diagonal of a square is given.
Why?
And what is the diagonal of the square whose area is double of the first square? So once you think about it, okay, you need to think
Okay, ma'am.
2.
A
Two.
square.
2
A square. No, that is not A square.
2A.
Not
2A,
2A. Once you think here, he is not given a side of a square. He is given a diagonal of a square and two squares are given. We need to find out what is the second square. So that is a brain teaser for you. So just you keep your thoughts on the problem and solve it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And please do this page number 71, do this problem. Okay,
Okay,
na?
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So once
Okay,
all of
ma'am.
you please read this page number 72. Just we have discussed about this, and also here some of the types of angles also given in page number 73.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
that is about acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle,
Initial
a
position,
straight
terminal
angle,
position.
and a complete angle. Alpa కోణము, లంబ కోణము, అధిక కోణము, సరళ కోణము, పరావర్తన కోణము. Okay, so already you know about all the types of angles. Okay, so acute angle is nothing but below 90 degrees means 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Right angle
ma'am.
means exactly 90 degrees. లంబ కోణము అంటే 90 డిగ్రీలు. Next one is
ma'am.
adhika
ma'am.
konamu, means obtuse angle. It is more than 90 and below than 180. Sarala konamu
Yes, ma'am.
means a
180.
straight angle. It is
Straight
exactly
angle,
like
ma'am.
180 degrees, like a straight line. So
Yes,
from
ma'am.
here
Reflex
you
angle.
can say a straight line has 180 degrees angle. And next one is paravartana konamu, means a reflex angle. Reflex
Yes, ma'am.
angle na
It is
paravartana
having
konamu
180
ante
to
reflex
360
angle
degrees.
means
More than 180,
no,
less than
reflex
360.
angle more than 180,
More than 180, less than
360.
360.
Very
Less than
good. So last one is a complete angle.
Yes,
Complete
ma'am.
angle is 360. So and also we have some lines here like a parallel lines and intersecting lines.
Intersecting lines.
Yes, ma'am.
So next one is in
Concurrent
page
lines.
number 74. In page number 74, మిళిత రేఖలు చూడండి ఒకసారి. కాంకరెంట్ లైన్స్.
Concurrent
Yes, ma'am.
lines.
Concurrent lines
These
means,
are the types of lines.
yes Nana, types of lines also you know very well. So that is
Yes, ma'am.
concurrent lines, just a small difference. From one point we can draw n number of lines, right? Infinity number of lines we can draw from the one
number
point.
of lines.
Yeah, what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
of concurrent?
Yes, that I'm saying to you now. So from one point we can draw infinity number of lines, right? So that
Yes,
lines
ma'am.
are called concurrent lines. Okay,
The lines are
that
Yes, ma'am.
point is called, means if we are drawing from one point, right? That point is called concurrent. Okay na?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, so here think, discuss and write is there. Now you
Yes,
should say
ma'am.
what is the difference between intersecting lines and concurrent lines.
Intersecting
ఖండన
lines.
రేఖలకు
intersecting lines,
ఖండిత
two
రేఖలకు
lines
గల
intersect a
భేదమేమి?
point.
Intersecting
Okay.
lines
They will cut
intersect
each
two
other.
parallel lines.
But where in concurrent lines, two or more than lines,
3 or more than that.
Intersecting
more than
lines.
lines.
Intersecting lines.
Meet at a point.
Pushing through
are
a
called
point, passing through a point.
Yes, it is passing through a point, and we can draw infinite number of lines. That lines are called concurrent lines,
Called
right?
concurrent lines.
Yes, ma'am.
Two
Okay.
lines.
So, okay. So in the same way, we have one more point today. That is, just now we have seen some points on the line, right? So
Yes,
once you
ma'am.
observe this
Yes, ma'am.
line BC, all of you please see the screen. Here the line BC is there. Okay, I am taking one more point here, D, and here E, and here F. Okay, so here somewhere I have taken the point G. So when you are observing this line, okay, some of the points on it, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So these points are called collinear points.
What, ma'am?
Okay,
Collinear points.
so
Which
these points
ma'am?
are called collinear points. తెలుగు మీడియం వాళ్ళు ఎవరు రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు, మరి మాతాజీ ఏంటి అని. ఉన్నారండి తెలుగు మీడియం వాళ్ళు?
Collinear points, ma'am.
Yeah, the points are called collinear points.
Teacher, collinear or polylinear? Teacher?
Collinear. Okay.
Means BD, D.
No, you should not take like that. Here the point B, point D, point E, F, and point C.
Okay.
This all points are on the same line, right? So these
Yes, ma'am.
points are called collinear points. Okay, na?
Yes, okay, ma'am.
So
Okay, ma'am.
suppose we have one lines like this, means just I have taken one point here. Okay. So I have taken the points like this. Can you say here from H, J, K, and I, what are the collinear points and what are the non-collinear points?
K and I
Is
are
the collinear point.
collinear points. J, K, I.
Okay.
H,
J,
J,
K, I are
J,
J,
H,
K,
J,
I
E.
are the collinear points. Next one is
H, J, E.
H, J, E.
H, J, E also collinear points. And once you observe here, J, H, I. These three are on the three different lines, right?
S.
So
Yes.
that type of points are non-collinear points. Okay. So please,
Okay, ma'am.
when you are concentrating on the points, concentrate on that topic only, not on the lines. Okay. So this is
Okay.
all about today. So all of you try to solve the exercise 4.1 also. Okay, that's
Okay,
all
ma'am.
about this basics. Okay, you need to recall all the concepts from your previous classes. Okay, that all
Yes, ma'am.
are easy. Lines, line segments, angles, types of angles. Okay, so types of points like linear and collinear and non-collinear, and about concurrent lines and the intersecting lines, parallel lines. Okay, perpendicular lines. So try to solve all the bits from 4.1 exercise 4.1, and also here we will see the fourth bit, I think so, which is related to write the angles, types of angles by observing clock.
Clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
At
ma'am.
9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and at evening 7 o'clock. So what is the angle
7.
between the short hand and long hand in a clock? Just you think
Okay,
about it
ma'am.
and write the answers. So this is today's homework to you.
Completed, ma'am.
Teacher, yesterday
Okay.
Riddle.
Yeah,
I get
yesterday
one.
reading
163.
I get 167, ma'am.
167
I
is
got
the wrong
163,
answer.
ma'am.
163.
163.
Okay, Vijaya, right? Yes, Sultan.
Logic.
I'll tell you the logic.
I will say, ma'am.
Can you
no,
say
ma'am.
what is the logic behind that 163?
163. 12. Ma'am.
Yes, Sultan.
Ma'am, I get 167, ma'am.
Okay, let us see.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
5.
Sultan, network
5
problem
5
ఉన్నట్టుంది.
25.
Yes,
I am
5
also
is
done
25.
like ma'am.
25 is 10, 30, 35
Plus 2 is equals
Okay.
to 37.
plus the 37. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 10. 46. 46 plus 10.
Okay.
Plus 3.
Okay.
64. 64 plus 10. 74.
74.
74 plus 4.
Yeah.
Plus 5. Ma'am.
Plus 5 we should take, ma'am.
Okay.
Then-
Yeah, that is the logic.
12,
You are
ma'am.
explaining the logic. That is correct answer only.
Ma'am, mine also that
Okay.
only.
Okay.
Then 12
Then-
square is equals to 144. 144 plus 10 is equals to 154. Then I am added 13.
Then how much we need to add?
13, ma'am.
We have to add, ma'am.
Okay, once you observe here, when you are taking the square for it, 5 square, okay, plus 10, how much we are adding here? Plus 2, right?
2.
Okay, that is plus 2. It is 37. In the same way, 6
Here plus 3.
square
Plus
plus
3.
10, here
Plus
plus
3.
3. Okay. Okay,
Teacher,
7 square.
7
Yes,
square.
Vijaya?
Teacher, I will another type do teacher logic.
Okay. I will learn
logic
that
is
your
correct,
logic
ma'am.
Plus
also.
4. Yeah, 8 square
Yes,
plus
your
10
logic
plus
is correct,
5.
Ma'am.
Sultan. Your
My
logic is correct,
now, ma'am.
Sultan. Yes,
Okay.
Sultan, very good.
Plus 5.
Plus 5. Okay, plus 5. Plus 5.
So
For
what is
9
square?
it is 6. For 9 it is 6.
This
For
6.
10
it is
10 it is
7.
7. For 11 it
11
is
it is
8.
8. 12, 9.
See
12.
here, next one 6, 7, 8. So how much we need to add for 12?
9, ma'am.
9. Okay. So that's why 144 plus 10 plus
154.
9.
154. So what is the answer you will get?
163.
160.
163. So this is the logic. Okay.
Teacher, I
So
will do
sometimes
another way,
sometimes you'll
teacher.
get this type of. Okay, please tell me, Vijaya. Now we will
5
listen.
into 4.
Oh, okay, let me write.
Another logic, ma'am.
Yes, another logic for this riddle. Vijaya is explaining that. Okay, 5
5
into 4
into 4 plus 10
plus 10
plus 7
plus
plus 7
7
is
Okay,
equal to
plus
37. Is equal to
Okay,
37.
Okay, 37. Next,
6 into 5
6 into 5
plus 10
plus 10
plus 9. 9.
Plus 9 is equal to
49.
49. Okay, next.
7 into 6
4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Next, 11.
Next
Okay,
one.
7 into
6
6. Okay, 7 into 6 plus 10
Plus 11.
plus 11
plus 11 is
63.
is
equal
equal
to
to 63.
63. Very good.
8
Next,
into 7
8
into
into 7 plus 10.
Plus
Plus
30.
We need to
13
add
is equal
13.
to
13.
Okay. So here 8 into 7
Plus
Ma'am,
10
10
logic, ma'am.
plus
plus
13.
13
13.
is equal to 79.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Yeah.
what we need to add
12 into 11
for
plus
12?
10.
For
12
12,
into 11
for 9 it is 8,
Nine.
for 10 it is 9, for 11 it is
10.
10, for 12
12
it is
into
11.
11.
Okay, 12 into
11 plus
11,
10.
12 into 11 plus 10
Plus 10 plus 21.
plus 10
plus
Plus
21 is equal
21.
to
Plus
163.
21
plus 10 plus 21.
21.
Okay, for 9 it is 15, for 10 it is 17, for 11 it is 19, now it is 21. Is equal
Is
to
equal to 163.
163.
32.
Teacher, my logic is correct or not, ma'am?
Yeah, that is also correct logic, ma. Okay, so here the same problem I have solved in one method and Vijaya solved in one more method, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in the two ways both are correct.
డీడీలు చెప్తా మ్యామ్.
Okay,
Ma'am,
but give the answer
Ma'am.
by tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
చెప్పనా మ్యామ్?
okay, please say.
784 is equal
Just a minute. 784 is equal to
28.
what, ma?
28.
28.
28.
625.
Okay, the next one,
Ma'am,
625 is equal to
25.
25 only.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, 25.
Third 400 is equal
400 is equal to
20.
20.
Fourth 324 is equal
Okay, 324 is equal to
18.
18. Okay,
Then 841 is equal
831 is equal to what?
31. Not ma'am, 41.
40. Ma'am,
41. Okay,
can I, ma'am?
shall we discuss this one about tomorrow?
Ma'am, it is square,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Manjula
Square
is
and
asked
square root.
this question.
Ma'am, I want to say riddle, ma'am.
Where's she
So every day, one member will get the chance to say the riddle. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, madam.
I will, ma'am.
So today, Manjula is given one riddle for us. So
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have to try it today, and we have to discuss this answer by tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So those who want to ask riddle by
29,
tomorrow,
ma'am,
be
answer.
ready for it.
Ma'am, answer is
Me, ma'am.
29.
Okay, ma'am.
29. Is it correct, Manjula?
Correct, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, square
Can
and
you
square root,
say
ma'am.
what is the logic?
Ma'am,
Atma?
28 square is equals to 784. 25 square is equals to 625.
25.
625.
20 square is equals to
20
400.
square is equals to
80
400.
square is equals to 324.
24.
And 29 square is equals to
Square is equal to
800.
That's what is. Very good, very good.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sultan.
I want to say riddle, ma'am.
Okay, you give the riddle by tomorrow, na?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, day after tomorrow I am, ma'am.
Oh, reservation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, reservations for riddles. Okay, that's
Okay,
fine.
ma'am.
Okay, Satish Acharya,
ఆచార్య
shall we close the class?
మీరే క్లోజ్ చేయాలి ఆచార్య శాంతి పాట అని చెప్పించి క్లోజ్ చేయాలి హోస్ట్ ఇచ్చారు మీకు
Okay. So,
ఓకే
anyone of you, please say the Shanti Path. Shanti Path. Harita,
Ma'am.
Shanti Path, please.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्तिः
Thank you, everyone. Have a
Thank
nice
you,
day.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.